Hold on, I'm coming back. Hi, I'm back. Hey everyone, it's Deepica, and today I am sharing an updated skincare routine. That is all the skincare I have at my home. I like rotated in and out from the stuff we have in the office. TBH, I'm a little nervous. My lovely friend Susan Yara has this series where she dissects people's skincare routines, and I've already told her I'm terrified. I am here to tell you what I do on my skin. Hello. This is my skin up close and personal. And hopefully it gives you some tips on what to do for your own. But Susan, don't yell at me. And nobody cuticle shame me. It is a pandemic, people. And there's bigger problems in the world. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that button in that corner. In that corner, I always forget which one it is. And now let's get started. First and foremost, and this is exactly why I know Susan's gonna come for me, is I start with a makeup wipe. I know, awful. I love makeup wipes. I'm just all about convenience in my life. And makeup wipes are really convenient. But you know what? I recognize that they are not good for the environment, which is why I've been trying to get better about not using them. But then most recently, Billie, the razor brand that we all love that has really done a lot for women and putting women at the forefront of their brand, came out with these makeup wipes, and they are 100% biodegradable, and they're packed with skincare. Let's see, it says it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin C serum inside of it. On days like today, where I have a ton of makeup on, I always do this as my first step. It's really just my way of getting like the base makeup off. But I love that they're 100% biodegradable. It made me feel better about it. I always use the Neutrogena wipes, and then I recognize that it's not the best thing for the environment. We're all a work in progress in our efforts to sustainability, but I think that that counts. That was free on my lips, our newest Huestick color, by the way, which I think is so beautiful. I had it on my eyes, cheeks, and lips, and now it's on my wipe. And it is just the most satisfying feeling in the world to take your makeup off. So that is my step one. I love the founder of the brand. She is a creative genius. Again, I feel like I have to say this because somebody's gonna say in the comments, you're not supposed to do that, you're not supposed to do it. This is what I do, people. This is what I do. And then I still sometimes do double cleansing after I get all of this off. Most days I would say I do the wipe and it takes off the majority of my eye makeup. I mean, all I had was the lip tinted and free on my eye, cheeks, and lips. So I don't have that much eye makeup on, but I usually go into like a concentrated version of a makeup remover. This one's from Clinique. It's their Lids, Lash, and Lips eye makeup remover. If I do want to do like more of a concentrated version, this one does not irritate my eyes. I will just kind of like let it sit there and soak in and then take off the extra stuff. I'm not gonna pretend like I do this every day because I don't. As I get older, I just care more and more about my skincare, and what they say is true, your makeup is only as good as your skincare. I've been rocking way less makeup these days. I feel like the whole world is rocking less makeup these days, so I've been really obsessed with taking care of my skin. My routine is constantly evolving. I've had plenty of skincare videos on my channel before, and then I go in with the cleanser, and my current favorite is this cream cleanser from Runabout. Runabout is a brand founded by my friend Michelle. This is actually made in India, and it's just, how stunning is this packaging? It has this beautiful scent in like the most pleasant way. Reminds me of home, and it just feels so good. And this really does take off your makeup also. I personally like to use it after a wipe. Obviously you can use whatever cloth you want, but this one from Jouer is just so soft and so comfortable on my skin. I just wet it and take off whatever excess I have on my face. Old Deepica would be that girl who used a makeup wipe and passed out. I know, come for me, I know. But to be honest, blame Mama Pundu. She has really good skin, and I never felt like I had to go hard. All my mom did was use St. Ives apricot scrub, oil of Olay, she done. So I thought Deeps over here was gonna be blessed with the same situation. My mom did not play with makeup for a living, so I have to take extra care of my skin, and I've had to develop a routine. So I no longer just use a makeup wipe and pass out, except there are days where that does happen. Sometimes it's a long night, and it does happen, and you always regret it the next day. But what I really have learned is that a makeup wipe is definitely not enough, and you know why? This is why. You think you got all your makeup off your skin, and then you go in with another cleanser, and then you use a wipe, and this is what's still on your face. Isn't that crazy? Anyways, that's why I think this idea of double cleansing, I thought the term was like a buzzword. It's real, man. And then I take a different part of the towel, and I'll just keep going until I literally see no color on it. That's when I feel like I really have taken it all off. If you're wondering what this burn is from, my lovely, beautiful, dear friend Robbie, who you all know and love, curls my hair, and you guys all loved what it looked like, and then she burned me. In her defense, apparently I was moving and couldn't stay still, whatever. Anyways, see, now I'm looking, and it's basically like there's nothing left on my face, so now I am done and done. So Runabout actually has a beautiful jasmine tonic that I use all the time, but I do not see it on my shelf because I probably left it at Rodney's house. So I'm going to use my other favorite, which is from Verse, brightening toner. Target dark spots, post-acne spots, even even skin tone, and they actually have these cotton pads that they also have, and I love them. They're reusable too, which is really cool. I've noticed that my skin looks extra bright from using it, so you use this right after you cleanse your face, like so. I've been using this and the Runabout the whole time we've been in quarantine, and I feel like my skin is just glowing a little, right? I feel like the Verse brand is like popping on the gram these days, and I thought it was like all hype, but to be honest, it's really great. It's clean, vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, dye-free, no parabens, no silicones, no sulfates, no petroleums, no mineral oil. To be honest, I did not use toner growing up. I've noticed a difference, so I drank the Kool-Aid. I now use a toner. At this point, I now go in with my serum, and I'm still an A&R girl. I just feel loyal to it. I love this serum. Take a nice solid amount, pour it into my hand, and get it into my skin. Put it on my neck. I love A&R, man. I've said this in my other videos, and I believe this is true. This is the first serum ever created in a beauty brand. Every time I use other serums, I always end up back at Estee Lauder's. At nighttime, I like to use Blowtopia from Diana Madison. It has a prickly pear seed face oil. It does feel like a very concentrated oil, so I don't use a lot of drops, but at nighttime, again, like I said, I really like my skin to be nice and nourished. I have pretty dry skin, so it really does help me wake up and have my skin feel really nice and moisturized and hydrated. I've not been good historically about treating my neck, and I've noticed what a difference it makes. Come on, Susan, you gotta be proud of that tip, right? As far as eye creams go, I've also been on the A&R train, and I've been using this A&R eye concentrate. It's just been my go-to. I trust everything in the A&R line, like I've said to you guys a million times. All the good ingredients that are in A&R is also in this eye concentrate in a much more dense way. Okay, so after I put the concentrate, I go in with the moisturizer. I am obsessed with Elemis. Their Superfood Night Cream, it smells amazing and has been my go-to night cream for a very long time. It's one of those brands that when you try and you use, you're like, oh wow, now I get it. I would say this and Dr. Jart Ceramide, I feel like are the two that are underrated and the best performing. My last step, I always love to do some sort of mist. It just feels really cooling and nice. So my MDNA has been my go-to. I love the way it mists on your face. It feels almost like you're giving yourself a facial. And who doesn't want Madonna skin, right? That woman does not age. And I basically drenched my face in it. I also have this tool here. Get your mind out of the gutter, people. This is a beauty tool. Sometimes after I mist it, I go in and do a little face contouring like this. I don't know if this actually is doing anything, but I love how it feels. It's almost like I can feel the cracking of my bone under it. Hello. This is totally normal behavior. And the very last newest step to my skincare routine is using the Wonderful Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. It's pretty thick, and so that's why I really like it as a overnight mask. Think about that amount. Rub it on my lips like so. When I wake up, my lips feel so nourished. When I put on overnight masks on my lips, I wake up with my lips burning and craving more. This one does not do that. It has a vanilla fragrance to it, which I personally love. And last but not least, I drink a lot of water. I don't know about you guys, but when I don't drink a lot of water because I'm just going through the day and I like forget, I get the worst headaches, and you see literally the dry flakiness. You could have the most incredible skincare routine in the world, but if you're not drinking enough of Mother Nature's way of treating your skin isn't gonna survive. Something about a corksicle and a metal straw just makes you feel like you're having like a treat for yourself. That same excitement I have for like a glass of red wine, it's now turned into excitement for a corksicle. I know that sounds crazy, but I legit feel that way. So I drink this, and then I'm good to go. That is my skincare routine as of right now. I hope you guys learned a thing or two in here about some products that you're interested in trying. Let me know down below any products you guys have discovered recently and you think I should know about. My favorite thing to do whenever I do skincare videos is read in the comments what products you guys are loving these days, because I learn a lot from that, and I'm always on a constant journey, and more so than recently because of some stuff we're working on for Live Tinted. More to come on that soon. Until my next video, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Stay hydrated, kids. Bye, guys.